I took a screenshot of a snap and I got blocked. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's E here, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys 5 tips and tricks for Snapchat. So you're watching this video because you're obviously interested in Snapchat, so add my snap, I'll add you back, we can be friends. And yeah, the intro of the video was cap, like it never happened, because what I'm going to be telling you guys is things you need for Snapchat, you need to know in the app or about the app. Anyway, let's go. Number one is recovering streaks. So if you want to recover streaks, all you need to go is go to www.snapchatsupport.com. then you report the streaks. You're basically going to be reporting the streaks, telling them, giving them legitimate details about the streaks, like you can be seeing it on the screen, giving them legitimate details about the streaks. You have to put the correct username, your correct username, the person's correct username, and like the number of days the streaks has been going on for. You must not give them the exact number, but you must give them a number and give them something close to being accurate. Don't come and give them one absurd number, like say you have been going for like 5,000 days or something more than your snap score, because that will make them suspicious and actually take you serious. So the first thing is recovering streak. Number two is how to take screenshots or video recordings of those snaps. Like, you know the snaps we're talking about. Some of you might receive those snaps and you want to screenshot or take a screen recording and you don't want the person to know. So I'm here to tell you how you can do it. If you are on Android, all you need to do is put off your data, like put off your data or internet, turn off all connection to the world. Just turn on airplane mode. Yes, just turn on airplane mode. Then you go to the snap, you screen record or you take a screenshot, and immediately you do that, close Snapchat. Like, just close the app, don't turn on anything, close the app. Then you can turn on your network connections back, and it's not going to send. Like, boom, you have taken that screenshot, the person doesn't know. It's just no I'm saying sense. It's sense. And another one I'm going to be telling you, if you're on iPhone, that is the exact same thing I want you to do. Just turn on your airplane mode and take the screen recording or your screenshot. But on iPhone, you have to uninstall the app, because Apple is stubborn. They'll be showing you screenshot sent. So immediately you turn on your data or your internet connection, it's going to show the person. So you need to uninstall the app. If you really need to take a screenshot or this thing and you don't want them to know, these are the extreme lengths you need to go to on Apple. So you're welcome. And number three is creating a public profile on Snapchat. So yes, Snapchat, like other social media applications, they are trying to, like the way you have your profile on Instagram, you can post, people can see, and the way you have a YouTube channel, people can subscribe. So Snapchat too, you can also create your own public profile. This hasn't actually come to Nigeria yet, this region. Some other regions have it. Like, how I was able to get this, how I was able to create my public profile is I use the VPN. Which VPN did I use? Tunnel Bear. That's VPN I use. I use the VPN, change my location to Canada, logged out of Snapchat, logged back in, and the Snapchat app changed. So in order for you to be able to create your profile, you have to make sure everything is changed to everyone, your location, things like that. But the people that can send you messages, you can actually just leave it as only your friends, because you don't want random strangers to just be sending you snaps or messages, like, because I have a public profile. Either way, you can still add them, but this is the best way for you to create your public profile. Quick pause. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, please share, like, share, subscribe. I love you guys too. Back to the video. And yeah, the next feature is the housewife. This is for my guys, my girls, all of you out there. This one is for you guys, because you know you can be having those conversations with people on Snapchat and you're like, what do I say next? I don't know, and you don't want to open the message because the person will see that, oh, you've read it and you didn't reply, because there are actually some messages that are very hard to reply. I received those a lot, and I'm like, what am I supposed to say? So this is the half swipe. The half swipe is basically you just hold the person's profile pic, or Bitmoji rather, and swipe, not fully, you just swipe enough to read the message, then you swipe back. You don't open it, you just swipe enough to read the message, then you swipe back, so you can see what the person has said, and now you have the time to think about your reply. That's why sometimes I reply some of you 2 hours later, because I'm thinking of what to say, not to make the conversation boring. But you guys can relate. Some people are just really boring. Like, you can try to vibe with them, but they are dry. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. She didn't leave you on red. You left her speechless. Yeah. So yeah, moving on. Number 5 is how to get spotlights. Snapchat spotlight. So this is basically TikTok on Snapchat or Instagram Reels. So we know TikTok is the OG creator, then Instagram created Reels, YouTube created YouTube Shorts, and now there's Snapchat Spotlight. It's also not available in Nigeria, but I'm Uzi's tech, so I made it available. I have it. I have Spotlight.
Okay.
You can see my Snapchat Spotlight here. So all you need to do is the same thing I did for step number 3 in creating your public profile. All you need to do, turn on your VPN, change your location to either Canada or United States. I changed my location to Canada though. Yeah, change your location to either somewhere that is not this region, somewhere that you're sure of. So either Canada or United States, because those are 2 places I know that Spotlight is available. Then log out and make sure your Snapchat app is updated. Then you'll see Spotlight in where that last place where you guys used to see like search options, people to add things like that. You see your Spotlights. You just swipe, see different creators. You can share the snaps with your friends and things like that. So these are 5 tips and tricks for Snapchat. I know that you guys enjoyed this video, so make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm back on YouTube. A lot of things have happened between the last video and this video, and that is why it took so much time for me to upload again. But I know I'm just grateful that I'm here and I'm able to make another video with you guys. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, because I'll be making more videos just for you guys. Peace.